we look over here, we're just trying to get this square enough, straight enough. We're going to cut this back here over the off season and make a big box. So we're just trying to get this down. This needs to come down a little bit more on this side, so we'll readjust the chains and pull this down. We use the trusty shovel to hold the boot up. That I showed you, we're hopefully going to get this crease out here in the C-pillar. How's that looking, team? Did it come out? Yeah. Forklift didn't turn out too bad. Got it pretty straight-ish. My big concern was the pillar dent, but we managed to whip that one out, so yeah, pretty stoked on that. Boot gaps are alright, you know. Glass end anyway, and do a tube structure-ish, and then mount the fiberglass panels off the tube structure. So off-season plans, eh? So it's all good. Came out pretty good. Yeah, bash bars straight-ish, even though again we're going to tube it, so all good. Stoked.